Stephen Hardy was asking, are tweed kilts usually hemmed instead of using the selvage for the bottom hem?
Yeah. Selvage edge on the bottom of the loom, when the loom, actually physically weaves the cloth. It's usually done with a selvage edge or a tuck-in selvage. Basically, it's the fabric ends nicely. It's not fringed. It's not a lino selvage. You don't have to cut it off.
Right.
That's how it's done with tartan kilts. On tweed, and frankly, on the majority of cloth worldwide, the selvage doesn't matter. Most people, when you're making a suit or when you're making a shirt or whatever, you're not cutting the pieces out for the garment from the very, very edge of the cloth. You're actually cutting them out in the middle. So in a kilt, it matters. Unfortunately, tweed is going to be woven for the most part on a different type of loom, or even if it is woven on a rapier loom or a daub cross loom so that it's a traditional selvage, the problem is if it's a herringbone tweed, the chevrons, the little V's, are going to be going warp down the entire length of the cloth, not up and down. So it'll look a little odd if you're wearing a tweed kilt and you have the chevrons
It'd be just like
horizontal.
striped.
Yeah, it'll give you that horizontal
like
kind
trim.
of effect
Yeah.
versus a vertical effect. And when you're doing something on a kilt, you want your eye to be drawn up and down, not lengthwise, or not widthwise, excuse me. Also, if you're wearing a tweed jacket and vest, what ends up happening is the jacket and vest are going to be cut so that they're vertical. The chevrons are going vertical on the herringbone is going vertical on the jacket and vest. Then if your kilt is going horizontal, it's going to look odd, and something's going to be off, and you may not realize exactly what it is, but that's what it is. So ultimately what happens is, from a kilt making perspective, when you make a kilt out of tweed fabric, most of the time you have to actually cut sections of the cloth and then turn them 90 degrees, and then you have a cut edge. Then you have to hem it up and splice those pieces together to make a full kilt out of it.
Right.
Mac, do you have anything to add to that? Any thoughts about that? Or...
No, you got it.
Okay. Awesome. I got this. So says Mac.
Ta-da.
Indeed. So yeah, ultimately for a tweed kilt, the majority of the time, yes, they have to be hemmed.
There you go. And I will just add that, yes, tweed kilts are traditional, and there's nothing wrong with them. So.
And now you know.
Enjoy.
And no one's half the battle.